babe.
Hey. Sick.
Morning, guys. So we are, wow, that sun was bright. We are just about to go to the gym. So I'm having a yogurt and a banana, and I'll show you guys what yogurt I'm having. And I also had a lemon water. That's okay. For use of guys. For those of you guys who don't know, I am currently almost 17 weeks pregnant. And I've been getting a couple of requests here and there about doing a what I eat in a day pregnancy edition. Obviously, if you have been pregnant before, you know that your diet can change a lot. And it's kind of parts of it, I would say, are uncontrollable. There's certain things that you no longer want to eat. It's almost like your taste buds have changed and you just don't like certain things anymore. And sometimes you only feel like eating certain things as well. So it is much harder, I would say, like for me to eat my normal healthy diet when or while I've been pregnant. And obviously in the second trimester it has gotten a lot better. So I wouldn't say that I've eaten unhealthy like my entire pregnancy. I don't even know if I've had pizza. Babe, we need to get pizza tonight.
I'm down.
So it's not like, you know, I've been eating crazy unhealthy. I've been doing my best, but there's certain things that are like, I know it's not the best thing to eat, but it's better than a lot of things, and it's really like all I feel like. And I've also been making, like, if I'm craving macaroni and cheese or something, I'll try to make the healthy version of it, or if I'm craving french fries, then we'll like cut potatoes up at home or something like that. So there's just ways to like satisfy your cravings without completely throwing your diet out the window, and that's really what I've been trying to do. It's a learning curve. This is our first baby, so I've never been pregnant before, and it's definitely a learning curve. But yeah, I just ask that you guys are gentle in the comments and supportive, because we all are just doing our best, and no one eats, you know, a perfect diet 100% of the time. So I'm just gonna be honest with you guys and what I feel like eating today. It changes so much lately. Sometimes all I want to eat is pickles and chips, and there's other days where I want like a cold healthy smoothie and cereal, and it just really changes. So I just kind of go with what I feel like that day and try to eat the healthiest version of it. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I've been eating while pregnant, then just keep watching. We are on our way to the gym. I know I said that, but today's going to be leg day, and I think I'm going to do a whole video on kind of like what my pregnancy workout routine has been. But on my Instagram story, I've been every single morning kind of like updating you guys on what I'm doing for a workout, and I feel like a lot of people have been liking that. So it's not like filming me working out. I just kind of like film what workouts I'm doing and include like how long I'm doing cardio or how long I'm doing weight training or whatever. So if you guys want to see more of that, definitely follow me over on Instagram. I'm updating that almost every single morning with my workouts, and I include a lot of food on there too, and just like other stuff too. But yeah, so today's leg day, so I'm just going to be doing like probably 10 minutes cardio, and then some weight training for probably 20 minutes, so like lunges and squats and just different renditions of both of those things. So yeah, we're gonna get out of here, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So every morning I have been taking 500 milligrams of magnesium and 250 milligrams of iron for my headaches. So I'm taking those, and then I always have a big glass of water with half a lemon squeezed into it. And then before the gym, I had this flip cup. It's the almond cocoa flavor, and this I usually eat as dessert, but it was the only yogurt we had, so I had it in the morning with a banana. So after our workout around 9 o'clock, we picked up some breakfast from a local breakfast place, and I got a spinach omelet with a little bit of feta cheese, and yes, I did check that it was pasteurized. And then I got a whole grain rye, I think it was, bagel with some cream cheese, and the cream cheese is definitely a treat. I don't always put that on my bagels. Usually I do something much lighter, but this is what I had after our workout. So around 12 o'clock I had a lunch, and so I had some cottage cheese, low-fat cottage cheese with tomatoes, 2 pickles, some carrots, and a little bit of ranch dip. And then right around 2:30, I had a sweet tooth craving, so we went to Sweet Frog, got some frozen yogurt. I had some fruit in mine. Actually, half the cup was fruit, and then I had a little bit of cheesecake topping and some chocolate topping as well. And it was so worth it, so delicious. So for dinner, I decided to cut up these poblano peppers. We've really been liking just throwing these in the oven with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and they're just really good. I usually like mine a little bit more cooked than Kyle does. He likes them still a little bit crunchy, but they're just good if you stuff them with rice or just eat them alone. So just cooking up a couple of those. And then I am boiling some cauliflower along with some pasta, just some organic pasta. So while all of that is cooking, I'm going to be chopping up, I think I used almost half an onion for this, and then just sauteed all of that in a pan. So once the onions are caramelized and my cauliflower is cooked, I put it all in my NutriBullet with some almond milk, and I'm just going to be blending this up. I did kind of have to stir it around first because I didn't think it was going to blend very well. So I'm just putting in about enough milk to cover it, and then just blending it up, and you guys will see this makes like the creamiest sauce ever. And it actually, without the cheese, tasted like Alfredo sauce. So I think if you just did a little bit of sprinkled cheese, you could easily make like broccoli Alfredo or chicken Alfredo with this. But I'm just adding a small bag of, I think it's like a mixed cheddar, and just stirring that in. And as you guys can see, it makes a really creamy mac and cheese, and you're really not using that much cheese. It's mostly veggies. So here are our peppers once they were done cooking, and those were super yummy. I just had one on the side, and this was the mac and cheese. Guys, I seriously cannot tell you how good this was. I cannot wait to make it again. We ate it for an entire week, and it was just really yummy. Around 8 o'clock, I had a piece of pumpkin bread, and this was just 1 canned pumpkin and 1 box of spice cake. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!